What's up, everyone? I like getting here once again. So today I'm doing another food review. So it's gonna be on these. These are the chicken tenders from Culvers. So that's right, Culvers. In case you guys don't know, it's a fast food restaurant. Which is it's basically like McDonald's or Burger King almost. They have burgers, chicken, fries. They have like some other types of they have like some barbecue sandwiches, and ice cream. The ice cream there is really good. So I got the chicken strips to review. It's headquartered in Wisconsin. I don't know if you can see it here, but on here it shows a little picture of Wisconsin. So yeah. So I've been to Culvers many times. There are a lot in my area, and all over the Midwest, all over Missouri, Kansas, Illinois, Wisconsin, Minnesota, all those states. So gotta open here, box here. There you go. But yeah. So here's what they look like. Pretty good size, I guess. Oh, and I also got honey mustard. Because I love honey mustard with my chicken tenders. So yeah. So alright, and I actually already know what these are gonna be like because I've had them many times. When I go to Culvers. Yeah, so let's just try it out. Yeah, really good. I also have spicy ones too, which I actually have not had those. Just the original and some of the other sandwiches. Now I'll try with the honey mustard. I have to say the honey mustard from here is really good. And I also have the fries here. The fries are pretty good. So, but the chicken tenders are pretty darn good. So for me, you're gonna get an 8.5 out of 10. You know, for all of this, the chicken, the fries, the honey mustard, and of course, the drink, it's all really nice. But yeah, so this is all gonna get, well, I mainly was just doing the chicken tenders, but yeah, the rating for just the chicken tenders is an 8.5 out of 10. But yeah, so I think that's all I have to say. If you guys haven't been to Culvers, I would highly recommend it because it is very good. So, with that said, thank you much for watching, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.